All right, check it out. Here's an update of our medium-sized sauna. This is a standard design. This is the first time we've been able to build this design, so pretty excited to share what we got here with you. Floor system is sloped to our trench drain in the center, and then on top of this, we'll do some more reverse sloped floor, and then the finished floor will go on over that. That'll be cedar. But yeah, we've got a waterproof pan here. We're gonna waterproof this with a liquid membrane. That'll get painted on, let that dry, and then we'll do the typical stuff. Exterior sheathing will go in next. Rockwell insulation. We're gonna tape the vapor and thermal barrier to the studs so we don't penetrate that with staples. Fully seam seal that with metal face tape. Before we do that, we'll put in our bench supports. Those are gonna get painted too. They're made from 2x2 steel, 3/16 thickness, and those get bolted through the studs. So we have wall-to-wall bench supports without vertical legs. This design, we will have vertical legs for the lower bench because things get a little efficient here in the hot room. There will be a sill plate here for a wall that delineates the changing room where I'm standing here and the hot room in there. So you'll walk through a glass door, and then the heater will be right here. It's a Hume Steel 9 kilowatt, a lot of power for this hot room. Big window here, 42 by 42 rough opening. But the sauna heater will live here, and then a lower bench will start here. Upper bench here, 44 inches from the ceiling. This will be a sloped ceiling, and that'll carry on through the changing room as well. Obviously, we'll put some vents in a little bit later on. But yeah, this is big progress. Everything is glued and screwed down to the 4x6 metal frame, fully welded frame. And this is kind of how we can get a really solid feeling frame here. So everything inside this tube steel frame is just to support our exterior sheathing and insulation. All the weight is carried by that steel frame. So this is how we do it, and we're getting further along, and I will show you guys more once we get more done.